going on? Gentleman Wizard here. And this video is going to talk about how to find out an upgrade for your machine. Now these tools you might already be aware of, so this is more geared towards, someone that might be a little bit new to computers. This does not work on machines that you built yourself. So ironically, this is not going to work on my own machine. But let's say if you bought a machine from Best Buy or another retailer like a Microsoft store or something, you could use these tools that I show you in this video to find out how to upgrade your machine. Now that's just the first step. The second step and the third step and whatnot is buying the hardware itself and then installing it. But this video is going to uncover how to upgrade it so it could get you at least thinking about the process. So the first one is showing you the DX diagnostic tool. If you have Windows 10, this is going to be really easy to show you, but you also have this on Windows 8 and Windows 7. Now the way I'm going to show you is on Windows 10. So Windows 10 over here, you got your taskbar over here, you got the search bar / Cortana over here, and you got your start menu over here. Now what you want to do is you click on this search. Now for some reason, if you don't have that search set up, and if you have Windows 10, what you could do is you could right click on your taskbar, and depending on how you have it set up, if it's Cortana, if you set up Cortana, it's going to say Cortana, of course. If you don't have Cortana set up, it's going to say search. Now either way, it's going to show you the same thing. It's going to say show search box or Cortana, or show search box. There you go. It was kind of redundant. But okay, so if I hit show Cortana icon, I'll have this little circle. If I hit show search box, there you go. And if I got rid of it completely, I won't have it there. There are chances that if someone set up your computer for you, they might have gotten rid of it. I say put it back on there because it's going to be pretty useful for searching stuff on your computer, such as this. So once you have search set up, what you want to do in the search box is type in dxdiag, and in some cases, if it doesn't come up, you want to put .exe. Now this tool is really useful because what it does is it scans your hardware to tell you what you're running in terms of hardware. Now it'll tell you the operating system you have, the language that's in, the manufacturer and product name. Now this is why I said it doesn't work on custom built machines, because there might be too many unknown parts for your system to spit this information back. But it'll tell you stuff like your processor, your memory, and in some cases your graphics card. Now why is this relevant? Because on a machine that is a laptop, in most cases they're going to tell you your system model number right over here. The next tool I'm going to show you is going to help you determine how to upgrade your machine based on this information. So let's go to that now. So what you want to do is you want to open up your web browser. And what you want to do is in your search bar right over here, what you want to do is type in crucial. And it's crucial you don't forget that. No pun intended. Or maybe pun intended, but it was really bad. So what you want to do is you type in crucial and you hit enter. Now if you do this, chances are Google or Bing is going to tell you, hey, are you looking to spell crucial or the definition? So you want to scroll down a little bit. And there's one that should say crucial US / or barrier, whatever you want to call that symbol. DRAM, solid state drive, and memory upgrades, yada, yada, yada. So what you want to do is you want to click on that link. Now this is a third-party website. It might not always be around, but for right now it's around and it's pretty useful. So you want to scroll down a little bit, and there's two ways to determine how to upgrade your machine. You could scan your machine, which is going to save you the time of you using that DX diagnostic tool. But the thing is, a lot of people are very gun shy about downloading software. And technically this is going to download a piece of software on your machine to scan your machine. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, that's why I told you about dxdiag, so you could plug in your model number here. Now I'm going to plug in the number of an older computer I used to own. It was a Dell Inspiron, and that's basically what you do here is you plug in the information. So as the manufacturer, it's a Dell in this situation. It was an Inspiron laptop, not a desktop. And I plug in the model number that I got from the dxdiag tool. let's say it was a 15 because it was a 15 and it was a 5578. I could hit find upgrade, and then from here I could determine a lot of really useful information. So your machine, this tells me that I have a memory compatible upgrade and a hard drive compatible upgrade. Now my computer, my older computer, had a maximum of 16 gigs, which is good to know because I used this to upgrade my machine. It shipped with 8 and it upgraded to 16. And how I bought my memory is, this tells me there's 2 banks of 1. So there's 2 banks. That means one bank has to have 8, the other has to have 8. Pretty easy. If it was 2 banks of 4, then I'll have a total of 8, which is basically what it's shipped with. So you want to make sure you take this information into consideration when purchasing your memory. If you are planning on doing the upgrade yourself, make sure you pay attention to some of the labels inside the laptop, because it might tell you DDR3 or DDR4 or DDR3L. Basically, you want to stick with what your machine has. It tells me the compatible memory over here is DDR4, so I could upgrade to DDR4 memory. It'll also tell you kind of hard drive, SATA 3, and the chipset. The ones that I'm most interested in, because you're not really going to upgrade your processor. You're going to be upgrading a hard drive and memory, and chances if it's an older computer, you probably want to make the computer feel a little bit faster. If it's maybe a little older, maybe 3 years old, it might start showing some teeth. So this is a good way to kind of extend the life of your computer, especially if you're upgrading to a solid state drive. Definitely do that. So those are the tools I use to determine how to upgrade a machine. I know a little bit about computers, so if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'm more than happy to share my knowledge, and I'm going to keep on working on these kind of videos if you guys like them. Hopefully this was informative. If you guys found it interesting and you want more videos like this, let me know. You know how it is. I only got 9 subscribers, but I'm going to make the most out of it. So take care.